Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to you, Navodaya Vidya Mandir, English Medium School, Kalburgi. So, how are you, children? Happy? Yes. Today, we are here to learn for 7th standards English poem. So, self-reliance. I hope you all are watching the videos regularly and doing your homeworks. Okay. So what is self? So self means tamma bagge, reliance to understand about ourselves. So that is self-reliance. We say that, yes, I can do it. We can do it. Yes, whatever if your mother or father is telling something for you, you say that, I can do it and I will do it. Okay, so you can't say that, you don't say, no, I won't do it. So always say, we can do it and I can do it. So and nowadays, Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister has said, Atmanirbhar Bharat. That means to be self-confident and self-dependent. Don't depend on others. You may be watching in the news and all. Hamara Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now we are boycotting the Chinese products and Chinese apps in our mobiles. Why we are doing this? Any one of them please tell me why we are doing Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, Atmanirbhar means to be strong, self-confident, that if we are producing any product from our India and in India, then we are going to get the profit by selling it and we can improve our nation. If we are buying the products of other countries, they are getting the profit and we are purchasing the products by paying high prices. So, Modi has requested everyone to buy our Indian products. And now here you can see the picture. Who is he? He is our Venkaiah Naidu. Yes. Next. And so always we say that, no, I don't know the answer. She knows the answer. But is it right? We are always thinking of others. That we feel that she knows the answer. She is very good in studies. She knows all. She will do it. But we will not say. When teachers asks you who is going to sing a song, then you will not tell your name. You will tell, Madam, she will tell, he will tell, they will tell. But you will not say, I will do it. So learn to say, I will do it. I can sing a song. I will sing a song. I will dance. I can dance. I will say the answer. I will become first rank holder. Yes? So have a faith in you. Faith means ನಂಬಿಕೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ? So be confident, be self-reliance. Now here we can see, do you know who is she? Yes, she is a Kathleen Delicato. So she born in Florida. Where did she born? She born in Florida in USA. So what is the full form of USA? United States of America. Her passion was writing poems and articles in local newspaper. So she wrote many poems. In that we have a sonnet. We have discussed in our previous class what is sonnet. Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. So what is sonnet? Sonnet is about 14 lines poem. In Kannada we call it as Shatpadi. In Kannada we call it as Shatpadi. Next we have here many poems of Kathleen Delicato like Rosa, Go to the Bag, The Mountain, many other poem she has written and she has published in local newspaper, in a Buddhist newspaper. So, who is she? She is called as Kathleen Delicato. She born in Florida in USA, and her passion, what is passion? Interest. Her passion was writing poems and sonnets. She wrote a book of songs of Buddha. She wrote a book of songs of Buddha and many poems and articles in local newspaper. She wrote many poems like Rosa, Go to the Bag, and The Mountain. Okay. So the first poem is self-reliance, to believe in ourselves. So what are the factors we should believe in ourselves? To believe means what we should do. So like I have given you here one activity. So what is this? To win a life, what all we need? To win a life, we need self-discipline first. We need self-discipline. Then contentment. So we should be happy whatever we have in our life. So that is contentment. And generosity. Generosity means to be ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಿಡು. ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಇವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಲು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಜನರಾಸಿಟಿ, ಬಿ ನೋಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ನೋಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್? ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ stones or rocks or constructing a building. You are a children now, you should study hard. That means read the lesson again and again, read the poems again and again. So that makes you perfect. That is called hard work. Hard work means it's not doing some difficult work. Whatever you are doing, should do properly. That is your hard work. So next one here is sacrifice. What is sacrifice now? ತ್ಯಾಗ. ಸೊ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ many freedom fighters have sacrificed their life for our country. But what we are doing here, we also should sacrifice for the well-being for the human beings. As we all are human beings, we have to sacrifice something for betterment for of ourselves and for others. The next one is self-satisfaction. So what is self-satisfaction? Satisfaction means to be happy what you have. So don't compare to others. बाहर वालों से कभी रेस मत करना. So don't see others and don't follow that. Like they have purchased a car, I also want to purchase. Don't go and fight with your parents. We want a car, I want a mobile. Not that. Whatever the God has given you, be happy with that and try to do something good for yourself and for others also. So here I have told you all these points: self-confidence, generosity, contentment, self-discipline, self-satisfaction, sacrifice, hard work. These all qualities are in some people. Name some people who has these qualities. Like Mother Teresa. Do you know who is Mother Teresa? Yes, she was a lady who sacrificed her life for the poor people in taking care of their health. She didn't marry and she was staying in a small huts. Wherever the people were suffering from diseases, she used to bring them and give treatment free of cost. So she is called as Mother. Yes. So the self-confidence, hard work, generosity, contentment, self-sacrifice and self-discipline gives us success. Yes. Okay. So now let us go to the poem, that is self-reliance. The poet is saying in her poem that to be thinking about yourself, first you believe in yourself, but when you need some suggestions, take your friends, parents, teachers or your well-wishers' opinion. Don't believe them blindly, don't believe others and on their decisions. So first think yourself, and then if you need some suggestions and opinions, you can take of others. Okay. So let us read the poem once. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinion, but ultimately it's I who will decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion. She's saying that I realize now that I'm alone. So everyone borns alone and dies alone, but in the between we have some relationships, family, friends, neighbors, everything. So but whatever I am taking decisions, I should realize, am I capable to do it? If not, get the qualities. If yes, then go forward. On myself I must learn to rely. That means I should always believe that yes, I will do it, I can do it, and I have that capability. I have to begin to stand on my own. Listen this sentence. I have to begin to stand on my own. Whatever you are going to do, you should do it. No others can help it. Just they can give suggestions and opinions, or if you need some financial help, that others can give, but you have to do on your own. If I fail, I must continue to try. If you fail in doing that, take some positive attitudes and try and try and try and try. But when you feel difficult, you can take the suggestions or opinions of others. I can ask for their opinions, but ultimately it's I who will decide. When you feel difficulty to do it, take the opinion of others, but ultimately means finally that you have to do. No others can do it, then I'll be the ruler of my dominion. Dominance means you are the king of your life. You are the king, a queen, minister, everything of your life. So do it and try it. So it is Kathleen Delicato is telling in her poem. Next one. Determining which road I'll take with pride. When you go forward, you may have many ways. This way, that way, this path and that path. But you have to choose which is good for you. Determining which road I will take with pride. When I reach the destination, I should feel proud myself that yes, I have chosen a right path. ನಾನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಾರಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನಡೆದಿರೋ ದಾರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಮುಂದೆ ಎದೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೋ ಸಮ್ ಮೇ ಡಿಸ್ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್. When you are selecting something, people may say, no, it's impossible for you, you can't do it, and they may laugh at you, but choice is yours. Though some may disagree, they will not agree for you. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ go on, think about it and decide it. Thinking they know a better path to take. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ನಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಶಾಣೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ನೋ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಪಾತ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್, ದೋ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ raise their voices. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜೋರಾದಂಥ ಧ್ವನಿ ಎತ್ಬೋದು. ಏಯ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮೇ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ give self-respect to yourself. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to take. So they may disagree, they may say that you can't do, but and they may shout at you, they may abuse you, but it's up to you. You have to decide your destiny. Destiny means the goal, what you want to do in your life, the goal. By being true myself, I begin. So you should believe in you and you should be truthful to you. Don't say a lie to yourself. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೈ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಐ ಬಿಗಿನ್. ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ವಿನ್. ಲರ್ನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಂದಿರೋದು. ಈಗ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, you will be studying at home, but when you need the help of your parents, just ask it. But when you don't need a help also, if you ask, then it is you are not self confident. Okay, so be confident yourself and do hard work, be content, be having self respect yourself and self sacrifice. Sometimes we should sacrifice for something. Example, when you have exams coming, then you will be sleeping. So at that time we should sacrifice our sleep. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಊಟ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಊಟವನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮದುವೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ರಿಲೇ. ರಿಲೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. Okay, next we have dominant. Dominant means territory with one ruler. You are the king of your ruler. Next one is determine. Determine means to select, to decide. Path, ದಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೂಟ್. ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್, ಬೈಯೋದು. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ನಾವೇನು ಬೈತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್. ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ, ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ goal. Okay, so believe in yourself, do hard work and you will achieve the success. Here let us revise the poem. Listen it and say after me. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it's I who will decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominant, determining which road I'll take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone and how to win. Okay? Thank you children for watching the video. Bye.
I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinion, but ultimately it's I who decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I'll take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to try, alone how to win. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to try, alone